Hello students, this is the maths copy for nursery class and I have opened page number 14. So children, today I am going to teach you how to do sorting of number 4. So here as you can see that balls are given. So I have to count 1 till 4 and I will put the dots in these balls and then I will encircle 4 balls. So children, now look at my hand carefully and I will start counting from the first ball and I will put the dots 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will check once again 1, 2, 3, 4 and now I will encircle these 4 balls without touching them like this. So this is the first set of 4. Now I will move on to the next ball and I will again count and put the dots, and remember children, sets can be made in any direction. So I will start counting 1, 2, 3, 4 and I will encircle these 4 balls without touching them like this. So I will start counting again and put the dots 1, 2, 3, 4 and I will encircle these 4 balls without touching them. Now I will start counting again and put the dots 1, 2, 3, 4 and I will encircle these 4 balls like this. And children, in the same way I will make the sets of 4 for the rest of the balls. So children, I have made the sets of 4 and now I will color these sets. Remember, always use light color for coloring the sets, as I am going to use, for example, yellow. So start coloring from the boundary so that your color may not go out of this boundary like this. Now color the inner part. Pink, peach, light blue, light green, orange, and in the same way I will color the rest of the sets. I have colored my sets and I have done sorting of number 4. Children, I hope that you will follow my instructions and you will make neat sets and do good coloring as I have done. God bless you. Thank you.